How to download notifications history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download notifications history on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just click this one, download your information, and then click select all and go down, click on for notifications and then click create file, and after you click on it just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.